The final thing that I want to do before I'm ready to hand this project in is I want to take a few minutes to clean up my outliner. Right now I've got my daisy flower group, and one, and two, and a vase, and my stems, and this construction objects group. And those are all good things, and if I look inside them, I find that every single object is named, which is wonderful. But if I needed this as a prop in another scene, maybe I was making a nice little kitchen and I wanted something to put on the table, it would be really hard for me to use this because I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 separate objects here, and that's 5 too many. So before I'm ready to take this and use it somewhere else, I need to organize this into a single object. So we'll start by doing just that. I'm going to grab everything and press Ctrl G to group it all into a single group, and we will call this one my flower vase scene. Inside that, I've got two types of things. I've got objects and construction objects. The construction objects are already in a group. The objects are not, so I'm going to take all of these objects. I'm using the Control key to select individuals in this list. If you're on a Mac, that would be the Command key. But I'm going to select all of the objects, but not the construction objects. I'm going to group again. Control G. So my other group is named construction objects. This one I'm going to call objects. Inside of objects, I've got three things that are called daisy. That's easy. I'm going to group these together, and this will be my daisies group. So now I've got the vase, the stems, and the daisies. You would of course have more types of flowers. But when I'm looking at this, what I'm going to be looking at is your grouping. So here's an ultimate group. Inside that, I've got construction and regular objects clearly labeled. And inside of objects, it's really easy for me to find everything. Inside the daisies group, I can see that I've got this 1, 2, 3 different daisies. Inside stems, everything is named. And in fact, if I go inside each of the daisy groups, the center is named, the petal group is named, and if I scroll all the way down, even the individual petals are named. So this is now a well-organized scene, and I'm all ready to hand this in. The flower scene is done. Congratulations!